Hello and welcome to The Food. If you're wondering what I'm doing with a bunch of grapes, well, on this episode, I'm on a mission to figure out what we can do with fruit. And before I tell you what exactly I'm going to do with these grapes, let's head to Japong in Walkeshwar, Mumbai, where we're going to do some interesting food with fruit. Let's go. So I'm in Jampong, which is a small little restaurant in Walkeshwar in Mumbai. Two young boys running it, and I'm going to talk to them. This is Siddharth. Hi, Siddharth.
Hi, Kunal.
And Akash. Both brothers, both Kashyap's, and they're doing some interesting food over here. The reason I'm here today is one is I've heard the food is great, and two is that this episode is a special episode on fruit used in cooking.
Wow.
Now, a little bird told me that your menu has some very interesting things with fruit in Asian food. Now, is sort of fruit commonly used in Asian food?
Not really, but we just thought that adding fruit to our preparations would be a little interesting. I mean, it would give the preparations a little slight thing that would probably make it taste a little different. Everybody uses vegetables, that's very common, but fruits would give it its own uniqueness to the preparations.
Fruit also makes it good for a vegetarian restaurant because normally when you think of vegetarian food, you think of it as a sort of limiting cuisine, you know?
Absolutely.
You're running this place as a vegetarian restaurant and Asian on top of that. So does it help that you're using fruit in some of your dishes?
Absolutely. In fact, there have been a lot of customers who do come down and they really love the cuisines that we make for them. So it's kind of a different thing. They appreciate the fact that we made them add something different from the regular cuisines.
Oh, great. So we're going to learn a few things from this episode. How to use fruit in cooking, and what is it that is your sort of signature Asian dish with fruit in it over here?
We're really well known for our crispy lychee wontons actually. Yeah.
Crispy lychee wonton.
Exactly.
That sounds good.
It's served with a sweet and sour and hot chili bean dip.
Okay.
So that's really interesting. Crispy lychee wontons with a sweet and hot chili dip.
Will you show me how to make them?
Absolutely.
I think that's a good idea. So let's make these crispy lychee wontons and then eat them, taste them, and see how fruit goes with your meal. So we're all set to make the lychee wontons. I'm looking at your ingredients. Fairly simple right here, huh?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Very simple set of ingredients.
Okay.
Just lychees, which
These
are
are
then
lychees.
chopped, then you get this out of that. This is a chili bean marinade. This is
Okay.
the thing that actually gives flavor, the hot flavor to the lychees.
So you've got the sweet lychees and this hot flavoring to it.
Yes, absolutely.
And you've got your wonton sheets
Yes,
here.
we've got the wonton sheets ready.
Okay, so shall we?
Absolutely.
चलो करते हैं. Little bit of this marinade.
We've got the mixture that
You've
needs
got
to
the
be
stuffing,
wrapped.
the stuffing
Yes,
for the-
exactly.
Now comes the important part, how to make a wonton. Arey wow, this is superb. I'm going to try one of these. Let's see. I have
Absolutely,
never done this in my
absolutely.
life before. Wrapped a wonton. Now let me see if I can do it. Okay?
Yeah. Perfect. Now, just fold it up. Exactly. Yes, you got that right. You got that right.
Not really, but
No, you got it. Exactly.
I'm very proud of myself. Oh, here goes. Not bad.
Not at all. It's a fairly decent looking wonton.
Super. Not as good as yours, but what the hell. Yeah? Great. So we've got these wontons which are ready. Now what do? You steam them, fry them? What?
We just fry them straight away in hot oil.
Lovely.
Crispy wontons.
Fried wonton with leeches inside. Chalo, let's fry them quickly and then eat them. So here we are, crispy lychee wontons. But with those wontons, you serve me some other stuff also. This is all fruit based or what?
Yes, this is chunking raw banana, crunchy raw banana.
Okay.
This is sweet and sour pineapple.
Oh,
Yes.
very
and-
interesting.
Yeah, just to go along with the sweet and sour pineapple, we've got the fortune rice.
I'm going to start with the lychees, the lychee wontons, because that's what we made, and they are very, very tempting. May I? This is damn interesting. It's so unusual, no? The sweetness of the lychee, the spiciness of the sauce,
Right.
and the crunchiness of the wonton. This is quite fabulous. I prefer it to the prawn or the chicken, no?
Okay.
By the way. Oh, this is lovely. Our first fruit-based food, wontons with lychees in it. Fantastic. Now I'm going to embark upon the next part of our journey, which is
The chunking, crunchy raw banana.
anything you say. Raw banana. So this is not the banana flour. This is a banana,
It's a proper banana.
proper banana,
Raw
which you we don't before it ripens.
Yes.
You chop it into slices.
Yes, we slice it thin juliens, and then we add a little bit of corn flour batter, and we deep fry it.
Deep fry it.
So it gets the crunchiness through that.
Oh, very nice. And because the banana is raw, it hasn't got sweet yet,
Yes.
so it's got a savory sort of flavor to it. And
Yes.
It's really nice. Oh, I love it. This is the sort of same sort of preparation that other Chinese restaurants do with potato, don't they?
Potatoes. Yes.
It's far healthier though.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of eating potato.
Sweet and sour pineapple.
Normal sweet and sour pineapple recipe. I'm going to take some of this rice.
Sure.
This is very interesting. It retains the same qualities of your normal sweet and sour preparation.
Yes.
The pineapple makes it a little sweeter than a normal sweet and sour,
Yes.
but it's very nice. Pineapple sweet and sour. Lovely. I think we've started on a good note. We started with crunchy wontons with lychees inside, sweet and sour pineapple, and raw banana. Listen, boys, thank you so much. Make some more fruit dishes and I'll come again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
A pleasure.
Thank you.